Hello everyone, a good Sunday afternoon. So in this whole week we have done two complete CAT papers. This is the last section of maths left. So I'm sure you're looking forward to it. Before we get into it guys, a quick introduction. Hi, I'm Munira Lokhandwala and I'm Calcutta alumna, a student 100 percentiler in CAT and a 99 percentiler in GMAT. I also have a CAT verbal book published by Wiley and available on Amazon. You can find me on the Unacademy channel, CrackCat. You can also find me on the Unacademy app. So please don't hesitate. Just go to the Play Store, search for Unacademy, install the app. Within that, you have to subscribe for the Plus Cat courses. Right, get subscription, guys. Even if you go for the first step, which is free subscription, you can still access a lot of tests, a lot of content. But I'd really advise you to go for the paid one because then you get a lot of live sessions also on a daily basis, right? Which exact plan to go for, I can talk again, we can discuss again at the end of the class. You can use the code Munira10 to get 10% discount, right? So let's begin with the puzzle that I gave you all last time. You have two circles with equal radii. Equal radii means what? That the two circles are equal in area, equal in circumference, right? Dono hai judwa. Okay. The area of the shaded region equals the sum of the areas of the two unshaded regions. So let's say the shaded region is 2. This 2 is the sum of this region plus this region. Right? Now there has to be symmetry here, guys. Correct? It's not as if this circle has taken up more of this region. There are two circles with equal radii. तो जितना इधर बचेगा उतना ही इधर बचेगा, right? So you can guess that these two areas are equal. If they are equal, that means this is 1 and this is 1, right? Because we have taken this whole shaded region as 2. 2 is equal to the equal area of x plus x. So each of these areas, guys, is 1. So आपका circle का area हो जाता है एक circle का area, right? It is the shaded region. So let me just trace, right? The circle area is this shaded region plus the unshaded region. ये पूरा this region, right? Oops. This is a horrible circle. Anyway, so the full circle is 3. Now I know that the shaded region is 2, right? And 2 is equal to 96. So 3 guys will be equal to 144. Now what is the area of the circle? The area of the circle is pi r square. So r is equal to 12, right? Because r square is 144 pi, correct? Now r is equal to 12. Now the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So the circumference of each circle will be 24 pi. 2 into 12 into pi, right? Great. Let's now look at the maths questions. So you have two alternatives, in fact actually 3 alternatives that Shabnam is considering. One is to invest in a public sector bank, correct? And there is a no risk promise of only 0.1%. पर पक्का मिलेगा, whatever happens to the market. It's a no risk, right? That's why the return is less. On the other hand, if she's investing in the market, right, there is one mutual fund ABC that goes up with the market and goes down with the market. So if the market falls, the stock falls. If the market goes up, the stock goes up, right? The mutual fund stock. So you get a plus y return when it goes up, minus 3 return when it goes down. On the other hand, एक दूसरा म्यूचुअल फंड है एबीसी का उल्टा सीबीए, राइट? सीबीए में उल्टा हो रहा है कि जब मार्केट ऊपर जाता है तो ये नीचे आता है, करेक्ट? और जब मार्केट नीचे आता है तो ये ऊपर जाता है. So let's see what if you knew that the market is going to go up, right? Then you'll invest everything in option B because you're going to get 5% if the market goes up. On the other hand, if you knew market is going down, then you'll invest all money in option C. But you don't know, so there is risk. So let's see what happens if I invest, right, half and half in both the stocks. So you have option B में half, right, and option C में half. So आधा पैसा means 50%. So when the market goes up, you make 5 on the first one, it's a plus, and your other one you lose 2.5. So overall you have a gain of 2.5, right? Over, 2.5 where you have invested equally in both. So you'll divide this by 2 guys, because we have put 100 here, 100 here, right? So 200 पे आपको 2.5 मिला है. So it's a 1.25 का return. ठीक है, which is positive, it's not bad news. But if the market falls, तो आपको -2.5 यहाँ पे मिलेगा इक्वल इन्वेस्टमेंट पे, और यहाँ पे आपको +2 मिलेगा. सो ओवरऑल आपको -0.5 मिलेगा. तो अभी भी देयर इज रिस्क कि इट कैन गो अप, इट कैन गो डाउन, करेक्ट? सो यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन सच अ वे कि जो यहाँ पे आपका प्रॉफिट हो रहा है वो यहाँ पे वो ही प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट, द प्रॉब्लम इज के ये नेगेटिव का प्रॉब्लम है, इसको भी मुझे पॉजिटिव करना है. तो इफ आई पुट लेस इन ऑप्शन बी एंड मोर इन ऑप्शन सी, करेक्ट, देन इसका नेगेटिव का इफेक्ट कम होगा एंड दिस विल गो अप, right? At the same time, this will also go up, but ठीक है, I have extra here. So point is that, if I mix up my investment so that there is more than 50% in option C and less than 50% in option B, I will definitely make some positive return. So obviously पूरा ये तो 14 में आंसर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन तो नहीं होगा, that would be too easy, right? तो ये तो निकाल दो. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन कहीं पे भी नहीं होगा, because either you make money from the other 2 options, in which case you'll only be invested in those 2 options, right? Or you will make money only from option A. So it is a combination, and we know what happened when it was 50-50. This was causing a problem. So you will increase in option C, right? And you will decrease in option B. So you should check this option, guys. If you solve 14th question first, correct, तो आपको 13th का भी आंसर मिल जाएगा. So let us say you put 36%. तो आपके पास 10,000 रुपीज है, ओके? आपने 3600 डाला बी में और 6400 डाला आपने ऑप्शन सी में. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल दैट यू आर गेटिंग? ओके, इफ द मार्केट गोज अप, you are making 36 into 5, right, in the B option, B stock, because you have 3600, right? Each 100 is giving you 5 rupees. In C, you're making 64 into 3 का 64 into 2.5, sorry, minus 2.5 का loss. So this is going to be, guys, 180, and this is going to be 160. Correct? So plus 180 minus 160, you are getting 20 rupees on 10,000, which is a 0.2% gain, which is more than 0.1%. ठीक है, अभी ये तो राइस पे हुआ. फॉल पे क्या होता है? फॉल पे यू आर मेकिंग 36 into -3, right? No, -2.5. -3, sorry. I'm getting just a little caught up with these numbers. So -3. Correct? If it falls, your option B pay, there's a negative return. And option C pay, there's a positive return of 2%. So 64 into 2. So you are seeing, right? It's 108 minus plus 128. So again, you are making 20 rupees. So the answer, guys, is going to be second option for 14 and 0.2% ka return, which is third option. So the whole thing, right, is on this case, you just need to put in some numbers and see what's happening. तो ऑप्शन ए में तो आपको 0.1 मिल ही रहा है. अब 2 क्वेश्चन तो पूछेंगे नहीं जहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए ही आंसर है, करेक्ट? सो यू नो कि देयर इज सम वे इन व्हिच यू नीड टू मिक्स बिटवीन बी एंड सी ओनली, बिकॉज या बी एंड सी से पक्का आपका अगर कुछ प्रॉफिट बन रहा है तो ए में डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. सो व्हेन यू लुक एट बी एंड सी, जस्ट स्टार्ट विद 50%, राइट? 50% इन ईच में क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे तो यू नो व्हेन द मार्केट गोज अप यू आर गुड, बट व्हेन द मार्केट ड्रॉप्स दिस इज ओवरपावरिंग द पॉजिटिव. तो इसमें कम करके इसमें बढ़ाना है. So this is less than 50, this is more than 50. There's only one option to find out exact return. ये option को substitute करो. No solving, nothing to do, right? Great. Let's look at the 15th and the 16th. So let S be the set of all pairs right? So S is only pairs. Any two distinct members of S are called friends if they have one constituent common. Otherwise, they are called enemies. Okay. Here 1 and 2 are friends. Blah blah blah. For general N, how many enemies will each member of S have? So if I have, let's say यहाँ पे there are 6 elements, right? And I pick up one of the member which is 1, 2. How many enemies will 1, 2 have? So in the enemy, उसमें 1 भी नहीं होना चाहिए, 2 भी नहीं होना चाहिए, तो एक ही enemy होगा. So when n is equal to 4, right, each member will have one enemy. Correct? So if I substitute that, guys, I'll get यहाँ पे 4, this works. Correct? यहाँ पे if you put 4, you get 16 minus 12 minus 2. Correct? So यहाँ पे we are getting 1. Correct? So this also works. This also works. And this also works. So n is equal to 4 is not going to help you at all. Correct? So now you have to think about it logically, guys. You can put n is equal to 5 also. So let's say if you put 1, 2, then what are the kind of enemies that 1, 2 can have? So any member which is having 3, 4, 5, any pair. So 3, 5 के साथ 3, 4, 5 के साथ I can make 3 pairs. So when n is equal to 5, the answer is 3. Right? So now you can see this is not working. Right? If you see 20, n is equal to 5 में 25 minus 15, 10 minus 2, 8. यहाँ पे भी you are not getting it. यहाँ पे you are getting 3 pairs when you put n is equal to 5. And here also you are getting, right, 25 plus 6, 31, 31 minus 25, right? You are getting 3 again here, 6 by 2. So you'll have to go one step further. So you see, guys, it's taking too much time if we are putting numbers here. So the best way, as I said, is to go for logic. So if I go for logic, I have 1, 2 as one of the members. So then any member के लिए out of n, correct, I should not have 2 of these members. So excluding these 2, I can select any 2 to make a pair. So it is n minus 2 C2, right? So that is n minus 3, right, into n minus 2 and divided by 2 factorial. So you get fourth option. Right? So it is n minus 3 into n minus 2 divided by 2 factorial. For general n, consider any two members of S that are friends. How many other members of S will be common friends of both these members? So again, let us just look at logic. So let's say 1, 2, right, is friends also with 1, 3. And you have n members, right? So you have 4, 5, 6 till n. Baki sab. Now to have another member that's a common friend, I can take this common guy 1, correct? 1 can be mapped with 4, with 5, with 6 till it n, right? So 1 can be mapped with anything except the first 3 numbers. Now 1 gaya, 2 gaya, 3 gaya. तो यहाँ आपको n minus 3 मिलता है. And the other person, the other pair that can be a common friend is 2, 3. So answer, guys, is going to be n minus 3 plus this one more case. So n minus 2, fourth option, right? So a lot of times you have substituted and we have not got, we've got results very quickly, but always it does not work, in which case we'll have to fall back to logic, correct? So this is logic ke saath. Your answer for 15th is option 4 and 16th is also option 4, right? Let's go to 17th, 18th. So in a tournament, there are n teams. Each team consists of k players. The following pairs of teams have exactly one player in common. No other pair of teams has any player in common. ठीक है? So let's say कि T1 में k players हैं, T2 में K प्लेयर्स हैं, T3 में K प्लेयर्स है, सब में K प्लेयर्स है। ओके, अब T2 को आप जरा पकड़िए, राइट। T2 का एक प्लेयर T1 के साथ कॉमन है और एक प्लेयर T3 के साथ कॉमन है। सो T2 के दो प्लेयर्स हैं जो रिपीट हो रहे हैं, करेक्ट। बाकी जो प्लेयर्स है K-2 वो किसी और पेयर में देयर इज नो रेपिटेशन. So each team, right, has K-2 players where there is no other player common except these pairs. So K-2 हर एक टीम के लिए यूनिक है. तो n टीम्स है गाइस, 1 to n, तो n into K-2 players तो बनते ही हैं. पर there are these common players also, right? So common players कितने हैं? So common players guys, if you check, you will just have n players, right? So if you have two players, let's say per team that are common, correct? So वो 2 into n players हो जाएंगे, but they are common in two teams, तो आपको 2 से divide करना पड़ेगा, correct? So you'll have n players extra that are common. So your answer is going to be n common K-2 plus 1. So it is going to be n into K-1, which is your second option, right? If you do this with numbers, how will you do this? So with numbers, maybe you can start off with two teams. तो पहले तो अगर आप numbers डाल रहे हो, तो k और n को अलग अलग रखो. Otherwise, n into K-1 will be the same as k into n-1, right? Two teams है, हर team में 3 players हैं. So T1 T2 में एक common है, और T2 T1 में भी एक common है, because you know it starts with T1 T2 and ends with T2 Tn and T1. So there are 2 players common, correct, between the two teams, right? And then you have one extra player in each, so the answer is 4. When you have 3 players and 2 teams, the answer is 4. So now when you check, correct, तो यहाँ पे you get 4, यहाँ पे तो you get 0, यहाँ पे also you get 2, correct? Oh, here do we get 4? Yeah, you do. In fact, sorry, answer is option 1, not option 2. It is n into K-1, guys, not k into n-1. So यहाँ पे what will you get? You will get 3 into 1. You get 3. And here you get 2 into 1. 2. So 4 का number आपको सिर्फ option 1 से मिलता है. You could use number also, but most probably what will happen if you use numbers is you will not be able to see कि T1 T2 है और T2 T1 भी है. You'll just work with T1 T2 and then you'll get an answer for 5, and 5 तो कहीं मिलेगा ही नहीं आपको. So this is your, if you have used numbers guys, this is the error that you're going to get. Okay. Consider 4-digit numbers for which the first 2 digits are equal and the last 2 digits are equal. How many such numbers are there? So you are looking at something like AABB, right? अभी AABB को पूरा नंबर मत देखो, आप सिर्फ BB पे थोड़ा हम कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. ओके, तो BB का वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है? इट कैन बी 0 0, इट कैन बी 1 1, इट कैन बी 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, right? It can be 5 5, 6 6. This is for BB guys. We are focusing है BB का क्या वैल्यू हो सकता है? 7 7, 8 8 and 9 9. These are the 10 possible values for BB. Now, if you have BB as 0 0, that means your perfect square is of the form, let's say 2 2 0 0 or 3 3 0 0, right? तो उसमें it means कि double A is a perfect square because into 100 अगर perfect square है तो original double A भी perfect square होगा, जो ऐसा नहीं है, right? We don't know any 2-digit perfect square with both the digits equal, तो आप 0 0 को bye bye कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Now, what other numbers can we remove? We know that a square cannot end in 2, 3, 7 and 8. तो 8 8 नहीं हो सकता, 7 7 नहीं हो सकता, 2 2 नहीं हो सकता, 3 3 नहीं हो सकता. Okay, तो इतना हमने निकाल दिया. अच्छा, if a square is ending in 5, it has to end in 2 5. It cannot end in 5 5 because either a square is a multiple of 25, क्योंकि उसमें 2 5 होंगे, या कोई 5 नहीं होगा. सिंगल 5 तो हो नहीं सकता ना, तो 55 ही गया, राइट. अच्छा, अभी 1 1 4 4 6 6 और 9 9, करेक्ट. Why can't 6 6 be the last two digits? So we know that a number that ends in 66 is only a multiple of 2, right? It cannot be a multiple of 4 because the last two digits determine, so it's only a multiple of 2. तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में या तो 2 2s होंगे, so it's a multiple of 4, या 2 होगा ही नहीं तो ऑड होगा, करेक्ट. तो 66 इसलिए नहीं हो सकता. अभी अपने पास 1 1 है, 4 4 है, 9 9 है. तो नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 4 गाइस, टेल मी 4 के साथ क्या रिमाइंडर आएगा. कोई भी नंबर या तो इवन होगा या ऑड होगा. इसका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हम निकालते हैं, तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, हाउ विल द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर लुक? इट विल ईदर बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 or it will be a multiple of 4 plus 1. So 99 is a multiple of 4 plus 3. इसका रिमाइंडर 3 है 4 के साथ, तो ये नहीं हो सकता. 11 is also a multiple of 4 plus 3. That means it has to end in 44. Okay, your AABB is actually AA44. Now AA44 obviously is a multiple of 11, right? अगर इसका स्क्वायर रूट सॉरी 4 के साथ एंड कर रहा है, तो स्क्वायर रूट विल एंड इन 2 और इट विल एंड इन 8. अब 22 का स्क्वायर तो वी नो इट इज 484, तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता उसका स्क्वायर. 88 इज द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी. सो इफ यू फाइंड आउट 88 स्क्वायर, दैट वर्क्स आउट टू 7744, right? So there's only one possibility, it is 88 square, right? I had taken this CAT guys and this is how I had solved it runtime. ये थोड़ा बड़ा लगता है when I talk about it, but once you start writing and you start eliminating guys, it's pretty quick. It's a less than 1.5 2 minute question, which is not bad, right? So let's look at 19 and 20. So this question, right? You have Mr. David manufacturing and all that. Oh God, it's an ugly question. So what is happening is that you have a single product at a fixed price. If you are making X units in the company, then this is your cost, 240 plus BX plus CX square. That is your cost when you are making X units, right? So जब आपका डबल होता है प्रोडक्शन, तो कॉस्ट डबल नहीं हो रहा है, डबल से थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, करेक्ट. बट जब आपका प्रोडक्शन 50% से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो कॉस्ट भी 50% से इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So let's start off with this equation, because in this equation whenever something like this happens, no, कि ये भी 50% से बढ़ रहा है और ये भी 50% से बढ़ रहा है, तो आपका लीनियर वेरिएबल गायब हो जाएगा. तो let me tell you what I mean by that. Let's start off with that equation, okay? So what is that equation that I'm talking about? तो पहले तो बोलो कि चलो वो 40 यूनिट जब बनाता है, तो उसका कॉस्ट कितना है भाई? So when he's making 40 units, his cost is 240 and X is 40. So 40B हो जाएगा because X is 40, right? आप बस यहाँ पे 40 substitute करोगे. Then you will get CX square. So that is 40 square into C, so 1600 C. Correct? Now this is the 40 पे cost. इस पे आपको 50% बढ़ेगा तो 60 का कॉस्ट मिलेगा. सो 50% इज 150. 100 पे 50 बढ़ेगा तो 150 हो जाएगा, तो इसको 3/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. And this will give you the 60 ka cost, which is 240 plus 60B. Now X is 60 plus 3600 C. Correct? So now when you cross multiply guys and you just get everything together, you will see कि ये 3s है 240 और ये 2 इधर आएगा ना, 2 will come here. So 2 will come here and यहाँ का 2 चले जाएगा. Correct? So you will see कि 240 एक रहता है, because 3 into 240 on one side, 2 into 240 on one side, तो 240 बचता है. Your B gets cancelled. 120B है यहाँ पे भी and 2 into 60 यहाँ पे भी 120B है. That's what I meant. कि whenever the production and this is equal, the percentage change and the production change, that means your linear variable is not making any difference. It is your fixed, your 240 fixed है, right, and your other variables. तो ठीक है, great. Now यही बचा है, तो इस C we can find out. तो यहाँ पे you have 7200 C और यहाँ का minus 4800 C. So C you will get as 1 by 10, right? Because ये 2400 C हो जाएगा. So 240 is equal to 2400 C. C becomes 1 by 10. Okay. Now we can substitute this straight away for the first equation and find B. यहाँ पे. So you don't have to deal with two variables. Okay. So in your first equation now, what is the cost when it is 40? That we already know. It is 240 plus 40B. Now C is 1 by 10. So this becomes 160. Right? So the cost is 400 plus 40B. This cost is 5 by 3 times the cost of 20 because 66 2/3% means 2 by 3 increase हुआ है. As a fraction that is 2 by 3. So 1 becomes 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 means when your x is 20. So you will write 240, right, plus 20b. Now you have यहाँ पे b x square is 400, right, but c is 1 by 10, तो ये 40 हो जाएगा. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, you will get 1200, correct, plus 120b is equal to, यहाँ पे we are getting 1200, no sorry, yeah, good, 280 into 5 is 1400 plus 5 into 100b. So you will get 20b is equal to 200, so b is equal to 10. So great, आपका equation आपको मिल गया है. Thankfully at least part of the work is done. But you can't answer any question based on the equation. You'll have to find maximum profit. So first of all, let's write the equation. It is 240, right, plus x into 10. B is 10, right, plus x square by 10 because C is 1 by 10. So this is your cost. Now what is your profit? Profit is what, guys? Profit is revenue minus cost. Revenue, if you're selling X units, every unit is 30 rupees. So X units के लिए your revenue is 30X. And what is your cost? This is your cost. 240 minus 10X minus X square by 10. तो इसको जरा हम वापस लिखेंगे. So your revenue is, sorry, not revenue, profit is minus 240 plus 20x, right, minus x square by 10. So now to find the maximum, right, of this, you could differentiate also, or you can just find the perfect square. So if you find the perfect square within this, you'll get 760 minus 1 by 10 into x minus 100 the whole square. Think about it, no? See, generally don't touch the constant when you're making your perfect square. What you need to do is work with these two numbers. So पहले तो 1 by 10 बाहर निकालो. If I'm looking at 20x minus x square by 10, I will remove 1 by 10 minus. So then I'll be left with x square minus 200x. क्योंकि एक 20 है, 20 को मैं 1 by 10 कॉमन निकालूंगी तो 200 हो जाएगा. Now to complete the square, I need 10,000 inside, which is 1,000 outside because it's 1 by 10, right? तो वो 1000 और ये minus 240 मिलके बन जाएगा plus 760. ठीक है? So ये perfect square है guys. इतना हिस्सा. This will either be 0 or more. It will be 0 or positive. So to maximize, right, to get the maximum profit, you'll keep the 0. Why will you make it positive? So if this is 0, that means the maximum profit is 760. And when does it become 760? When x is equal to 100. When this is 0, right? When is this 0? When x is 100. So answer is 19th ka second option and 20th ka fourth option, right? Great. Let's look at the 21st question. The price of Darjeeling tea in rupees for the first 100 days, right? It changes. 100, then it is 100.1, then 100.2, 100.3, till 100 days it keeps changing, after which it becomes fixed. OTT keeps changing throughout the year. So on the first day it is 89 plus 0.15 N, which is 89.15. On the second day it becomes 89.3, etc. So generally these questions I think of them as time, speed, distance questions. Correct? But यहाँ पे वो आफ्टर 100 डेज कांस्टेंट हो जाता है, तो पहले दोनों को 100 डेज पे लाके छोड़ते हैं, राइट? अगर 100 डेज में ही ओवरटेकिंग हो गया है, इफ OTT हैज रन फास्ट इनफ टू ओवरटेक दार्जिलिंग टी, देन द आंसर इज लेस देन 100, देन वी सी व्हाट टू डू, बट मोस्ट लाइकली देयर इज स्टिल सम ओवरटेकिंग टू बी डन, तो ही फिर ये कांस्टेंट का मजा है, राइट? अदरवाइज वो कांस्टेंट होता या 365 डेज तक चेंज होता, इट वुडंट हैव एनी डिफरेंस. So let's get both of them to 100 days. Okay. So Darjeeling tea 100 day पे क्या होता है उसका? It is going to be 100 plus 100 into 0.1, which is 110. Right? This is Darjeeling. Now if you take OT, guys, it is 89 plus 100 into 0.15, right? Which is 89 plus 15. So that is 104. तो 100 डे पे भी ऊटी दार्जिलिंग के पीछे ही भाग रही है. ओके, नाउ द गैप बिटवीन देम दैट ऊटी हैज टू क्लोज इज 6. To close this gap, Ooty is running now. Darjeeling is no longer running. Darjeeling is constant. Ooty is running at the speed of 0.15. Correct? So Ooty will take another 40 days to overtake. So 140 days from the beginning of the year. Correct? So if I look at January, February, March and April, that is 31, and this is which year, guys? 2007. तो leap year नहीं है. 28, 31 and 30. So ये 120 days हो गए, and then another 20 days in May. So your answer is May 20. Okay. 22nd के लिए मैंने 2 सर्कल बना के रखे, बिकॉज मेरा handwriting and drawing, you all have seen, right? My drawing is pretty horrible. So I thought let's just make life easy for all of us. So I've already drawn the possibilities. Okay. So this is P and this is Q. This is the worst case. P, Q, correct? And A and B is where the circles intersect. तो यहाँ पे A और B same ही point है. ये point A है. Now if I find the angle AQP, यहाँ से A, Q and P, that angle is 0 degrees because they are not even meeting inside. तो मैं अगर इस circle को थोड़ा squash करूँगी ना, so then this angle will go up. फिर A थोड़ा ऊपर हो जाएगा और वो थोड़ा यहाँ बड़ा होने लगेगा. AQP 1 डिग्री होगा, 2 डिग्री होगा और मैक्सिमम यहाँ पे होगा. Now P and Q, guys, are at the tip. See, they can't come within the circle, right? The circles P or Q falls outside. They are not within the intersection. So maximum where can they be? On the edge. So in this case, ये भी radius है, ये भी radius है, ये भी radius है, तो ये 60 degrees है. So the angle का range is from 0 to 60 degree, which is third option, right? So this both these questions, guys, were not too tough. 21, 22 you should have attempted. 23, a quadratic function attains a maximum. Now we just did something here, not here, sorry, here, right? We said कि हम perfect square, quadratic में से perfect square एक बार निकाल लेते हैं, so that you have constant plus perfect square or minus perfect square, it doesn't matter, right? तो perfect square का value 0 होगा या positive होगा, तो वहां से ही आपका quadratic equation का maximum minimum निकलता है. Okay, so instead of doing a very tedious method where you are differentiating and all that shit, right? It's nobody's paying me money to differentiate. I'm not differentiating, right? Let's see what the statement means in terms of perfect square. Okay, abhi this function attains a maximum, not a minimum. मतलब वो पैराबोला ऐसा कुछ होगा, मैक्सिमम है उसका, मिनिमम नहीं है. ओके, so it means that the function equation is of the form constant minus perfect square. तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर जब जीरो होता है तब आपका मैक्सिमम निकलता है, और जीरो होगा परफेक्ट स्क्वायर या उससे बड़ा होते जाएगा तो फिर मैक्सिमम ही निकलेगा, मिनिमम तो नहीं निकल सकता, बिकॉज दिस कैन बिकम इंफिनिटी आल्सो, सो मिनिमम इज माइनस इंफिनिटी. सो दिस बेसिकली इज f of x will be 3, which is your constant, that's your maximum, minus some other constant, right? Let me, to avoid confusion, let's call this constant m, into x minus 1 the whole square. This function will attain maximum of 3 at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, this becomes 0. And you get the maximum. At other values of x, ये बढ़ता जाएगा. And you will not get that maximum. Okay. So, ये आपको function तो मिल गया. Now, you have one more sentence. Value of the function at x equal to 0 is 1. तो इसमें x 0 डाल दीजिए. So, you get 1 is equal to 3 minus m times 1 square, because x is 0. So you will get m is equal to 2. तो आपको अभी पूरा के पूरा फंक्शन मिल गया. It is 3 minus twice of x minus 1 the whole square. अब इसमें x equal to 10 डालना है. No problem. So 3 minus 2 into 9 square, which will give you 162, and 3 minus 159. Second option. Okay. So this is not a difficult question at all if you have the right fundays in place. 24th and 25th. Okay. So let's just evaluate. So already एक question में हमने देखा कि substitution does not help. Correct? So we will have to find, यहाँ पे भी if you see there are lot of similar options. Correct? कि यहाँ पे for example ये 1 by 2 raised to n है, यहाँ पे भी 1 by 2 raised to n है, और so if I put n equal to 2 for example, these two options become the same. So you know, putting numbers is not going to work. We'll have to find a general pattern. Okay. So let us find out how the numbers are going to look. Okay. A1 is equal to P. B1 is equal to Q. Now A2 guys is equal to P into B1. So it becomes PQ. And B2 guys is Q into B1. So it becomes Q square. Right? A3, what is A3 going to be? Abhi you are looking at odd n. Pehle to n was 2, so you are looking at even n. Now you are looking at this. So A3 is equal to P times of the earlier value, correct? But of A, यहाँ पे P times B था, यहाँ पे it is P times A. So you get P square Q. Okay. B2, sorry, B3, yeah. B3 is going to be Q times this. So P Q square, right? P Q into this, okay. Now let's see what A4 is. A4 is going to be P into this, so it's going to be P square Q square. B raised to 4, B4, not B raised to 4, B4 is going to be Q into the earlier B, so PQQ. Okay, so A5 is going to be P into the earlier A, so it is going to be P3 Q3, right? Q square, sorry, and B5 is going to be P into Q raised to 4. Okay, so here are some interesting things that we can see. B5, I'm just checking, guys. It is going to be for odd, right? Q into the A1, so it's going to be P square Q cube, sorry. And finally, when we do A6, you will get P cube, Q cube. So A is very clear to see. पहले P फिर Q फिर P फिर Q फिर P फिर Q, right? And B, what is happening is you get an even numbers, right? It is half. ये P square Q raised to 4 हो जाएगा, correct? Because it is Q times B minus 1. So यहाँ पे P is less, right, by Q, by 2. Okay, so this is what is happening. यहाँ पे देखो 2 का difference है, यहाँ पे 2 का difference है, यहाँ पे P is 0, so it is 2 minus 0, right? So whereas this is always the same. So what can we do, guys? We can remove for even A, right? Even A6 plus B raised to 6, you will have P square Q square common. यहाँ पे बचेगा PQ और यहाँ पे बचेगा Q square. अब 6 जैसे बड़े नंबर पे you can come and check, because now things are not going to be equivalent, right? यहाँ से Q भी निकलेगा, so this becomes correct. P square Q cube into P plus Q. So first of all, there's an extra Q. Okay, and P plus Q is always raised to 1. तो ये आप निकाल सकते हो कि if n is equal to 6, यहाँ पे क्यूब आ जाता है. So these two options are gone. बाहर P भी होता है हमेशा, तो 3 is also gone. Okay, PQ common पे you have P, it's P square Q into P square into Q square, right? ऐसा है वो. So ये भी गया. It is option 1. After so much magajmari, you get that. And 25th, if you check, what is the smallest odd end such that a raised to n plus, तो आपको odd numbers का value check करना पड़ेगा. So a raised to a5, for example, is going to be, now 5 तो होगा भी नहीं, p cube plus q square. A7, if I find out one more step from here, a7 is going to be p raised to 4 q raised to 7 q cube, sorry, and b7 is going to be, now we are going to have an extra q, right? Whenever you go from b to p, you have p cube into q raised to 4. So if you substitute, you will find it is more than 0.01. And then when you check for a9 पे this will work out to be p raised to 5 q raised to 4, and b9 will work out to be p raised to 5, sorry, 1 ka difference, right? So 4 and q raised to 5. So when you add this, then this is less than 0.01. So answer is 9. So it's very tedious, guys, because you have to find the pattern, and of course you can use the calculator here, but it's just too time consuming to solve. So out of these two questions, perhaps you could do 24 still, but 25 is very, very time consuming to do, right? But there were other questions that were easy to do. So it was not as if, you had to attempt this question. So I hope you all enjoyed the class today, and I will see you again soon when we start off with 2017, guys. So now we are moving towards this year's CAT, correct? So 2017 verbal is what we'll be doing next. This is your bonus puzzle for next time. You have a rectangle is divided into 4 rectangles. Let me just... Right. Upper left 9, upper right 10, lower right 15. What is this? That's the puzzle. This is your reading assignment. So go ahead, guys, read about heather thatching. And I'll see you again, as I said, when we do 2017 slot 1 BRC questions. And you'll of course see me on Unacademy. So guys, please test lijiye aap. You'll get a national level rank for the test. And beyond the test, you'll have the analysis, you'll have leaderboards for the test, and great doubt solving sessions. So please don't hesitate, subscribe. If you're focused on CAT 20, guys, look at the 12-month subscription, because CAT के बाद CET, XAT सब होता है. If you're confused between the two, then go for the 24-month subscription. If you're confused between CAT 20 or 21, right? You can use my code Munira10 to get a 10% discount. Great. I'll see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye.